had done quite a bit of shopping from Borivali market, to be very precise. वहाँ के street market से मैंने shopping करी थी, and all those dresses that I bought were branded ones from the brands like Only, Veromoda, etc. So मेरे काफ़ी सारे subscribers and followers ने request किया था that I shoot a try on video, and I couldn't actually get the time to do it. So here I am with that video जहाँ पे I will wear and try on those dresses, style them and let you guys know कि आप similar dresses को कैसे style कर सकते हैं. So without wasting any further time, let's just start with the try-ons. So this is the first dress, which is from the brand Only. This is a striped dress and a little narrower towards the waist. तो इस टाइप की जो ड्रेस है, फ्रिल ड्रेस होती है, it's really very suitable for some of the girls who have a little bit of tummy problem, क्योंकि ये जो frills होते हैं वो frills आपके tummy को hide कर देते हैं. Plus the stripes gives you an illusion of being very thin. So for the accessory, I just have a small hoop that I am wearing, and for the shoes, I will be pairing this up with these loafers. आप कोई भी loafers के साथ या casual shoes के साथ ऐसे dresses को pair up कर सकते हैं. So it gives you a very casual look. So this is how the dress looks, and this is how you can style such dresses. And you can wear these dresses on any summer day. And अगर आप sleeves के साथ comfortable नहीं हो, if you're not very keen in showing your shoulders, तो आप इसको pair up कर सकते हो किसी भी एक जैकेट के साथ. यहाँ पे ये ड्रेस को मैंने थोड़ा सा हॉलीडे लुक देने की कोशिश की है, जहाँ पे I'm pairing it up with similar striped bag, which is very very casual. So you can team it up with any sort of bag that you have and the kind of look that you are going out with. So this is how I am styling it. This dress is from Anne, and ये एक denim dress है which is very very stretchable in nature. So it's a very casual A-line dress which again you can wear on a very casual summer outing day. As far as the accessories are concerned, I have paired it only with these hoops because I want to keep the look very casual. Also I have paired it with this headband with all my hair tied up because it's a summer day and I am wearing this dress for. For the shoes, I am going to pair this dress along with these golden belly shoes, जो कि किसी एक brand का, I can't remember the name of the brand. So to keep the look very casual, I am using these belly shoes. Now coming to the bag, I am using the same bag जो मैंने last look के लिए use किया था. The reason being कि contrast है with the color of the dress and with this casual look that you are trying to get, ये काफ़ी अच्छा overall look देता है. So this is how I have styled. So yeah, so this is the second dress, and as I said, you can wear this dress on any casual summer outing day that you have. Also, if you are not very comfortable with sleeveless, you can put on any shrug which will again look very very good. If you would have noticed, ये dress हल्की सी यहाँ से ढीली है. So for those of you who want the dress to be very body fitted, you can pair it up with an elastic belt or an adjustable belt. तो उसके साथ भी ये look काफ़ी अच्छा जाएगा. So this is how I have paired the second dress. ब्लैक ग्लिटरी ड्रेस जो कि काफ़ी थिक है, एंड ये ड्रेस ओवरसाइज लग रहा है क्योंकि ये ड्रेस मैंने एल साइज में ले लिया था क्योंकि मुझे ये ड्रेस बहुत अच्छा लगा था एंड साइज अवेलेबल नहीं था. तो आई थॉट मैं कुछ जुगाड़ कर लूँगी विथ दिस लूज ड्रेस एंड आई वेयर इट. So this is the जुगाड़ that I always do while wearing such loose dresses जो मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं और मेरे साइज में अवेलेबल नहीं होता है, still I buy them. So this is an adjustable belt जो मैंने Hill Road से लिया था. So Hill Road in Bandra, Mumbai has a lot of options in belts and आपको जो भी belt comfortable and suit करता है you can go once the lockdown is over. And this is how it is adjusted and इसको मैं अपने waist के around ऐसे tie करूँगी. how the dress looks when you fit it with the help of a belt. काफी chic लग रहा है ये and काफी अच्छा लग रहा है. As far as the accessories and the hair is concerned, मैंने काफी simple रखा है. ये golden touch वाले earrings पहने हैं because the belt also had a little tint of gold in it. Also मैंने hair do काफी simple रखा है with the middle parting to give it a very chic look. For the shoes, मैं ये ड्रेस को पेयर अप करूँगी ये बूट्स के साथ and the overall look will be very classy. मैं ये लुक को कंप्लीट करूँगी with this small clutch bag which looks very cute and इसका contrast color is complementing the dress really well. So this is the entire look. And क्योंकि ये ड्रेस काफ़ी thick है in texture, you cannot wear this on a casual summer day in Mumbai क्योंकि मुंबई में काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. Although you can wear it in the rainy season if you're going out and ऐसे dresses को ऐसे style करके it will look really cool and really nice. Mix of wool and cotton and halka सा ये चुभ भी रहा है to be very frank because of the mixture of wool, but otherwise this dress is really good in terms of the fit. काफी अच्छा fit है, body hugging नहीं है, it's stretchable and very comfortable. So you cannot wear it in Mumbai on a summer day. You will have to find a day during maybe the December or the November of the year and that's when you can wear this dress. As far as the accessories are concerned, मैंने कुछ भी ज़्यादा नहीं किया है to keep it a very minimalist look. मैंने ड्रेस को पेयर अप किया है एक छोटे से pearl studs के साथ and that's all I'll do. No neck piece, nothing because again it's a very casual dress and you do not want to overdo anything. For the hair, मैंने बस एक pony बनाई है, mid-rise pony and that's it to complete the look. I will pair this dress again with these gold belly shoes जो मैंने पहले ही pair up किया है with another dress. This dress has a really good fit. It's a full sleeve, so any which ways for people who are not very comfortable showing their arms can go for such kind of dresses. Again, it's an A-line dress and fits really well in your body. To give it a final touch, I will pair this dress with a small clutch that I take to office. That's it. I will not take a big bag or a big clutch with it, and this is how the entire look is gonna be. It's a little loose towards the waist, but this is how I prefer it to be. As far as the accessories are concerned, मैंने pearl necklace के साथ एक pearl earring with golden tint pair up किया है, and with the hairstyle I've kept it very formal. For the shoes, I will pair this dress up with these formal block heels that will give this dress a very good outlook. For the bag, I will pair this dress up with this formal Esbida bag, which will complement the entire look of the dress. So this is the final look. So this is the last dress again from Vero Moda and this is an A-line dress. ये ड्रेस बिल्कुल भी स्ट्रेचेबल नहीं है, so while buying such dresses you have to be very sure that you try these dresses on and तभी आप लें, क्योंकि ये ड्रेस स्ट्रेच नहीं होता तो it will not fit the body unless and until you take it in your size. So that's how it is. Also this dress has hoops here for the belt, but belt था नहीं इसके साथ, तो I will pair this up with the adjustable belt that I have and that I've used for other dresses. उसको थोड़ा टाइट करने के लिए to give it a chic look. This is how the dress will look. looks very cute and nice. As far as the accessories are concerned, मैं सिर्फ ये एक pearl earrings के साथ ड्रेस को पेयर अप कर रही हूँ. Golden tint है so that it matches with that of the belt, and that's how I'll keep it simple. Hairstyle again to give it a formal look. I have done a middle parting and नीचे एक ponytail बनाया है पीछे की तरफ. So that's it for the look. For the shoes again, I'm pairing this up with these block heels, brown color. You can go ahead and pair such dresses with any kind and color of the heel. So you can go in for a black heel, which will look very formal. Because the color of the dress is very neutral, a mix of brown and black. तो इसके साथ कोई भी color of shoe will match except for कि काफी ज़्यादा contrast ना हो. For the bag again, I'll pair it up with this Esbeta bag, which looks quite formal and gives it a very formal look. You can also pair it up with other brown and formal sort of bags. This is what I feel comfortable with, so this is what I will pair it up with. So this is the final look. So that's the end of the video. In the comment section below ज़रूर मुझे बताइए कि आप लोगों को मेरा styling sense कैसा लगा, and if in case you have any tips and tricks so that I can try those with these dresses, these kinds of dresses. Of course your feedback is really important. Keep sharing love, keep sharing and liking my videos. अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए and hit the bell button so that you get the notifications of the videos that I upload in the future. So Milo here also says hi to you all, and he's a naughty boy. So thank you so much for watching the video. I will go play with him because he is waiting for my video to finish and play with me. So thank you so much for watching the video. Bye for now. Love you all.